Yes, you did. Okay, we're at Mount Point. We have a friend. Her name is Caitlin. You did. Yeah, she didn't even want to walk. Okay, smile at me, guys.
No.
Say Facebook.
I can't hear her.
Smile.
Smile.
Oh, it's an island.
Ay, sandamak. Hello, Tita Clem. Smile. Naabot niya. Pero sa loob like, do your dance. Oh, guys, aren't you supposed to do your dance? Okay, do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. Aray. Sige, sige. Igiling mo, Chang. Igiling mo. Tapos na? Tapos na. Gian, are you done? Yani, look how pretty. Oh, sorry. Move your face, baby.
Of course.
Get that. No. Okay, well, look at the point. Isn't that pretty?
Sea Life Park.
Where's Sea Life Park? Sea Life Park is around there, somewhere, right there.
Is that the one with the orange rooms? Is that
Oo, yun na nga.
I
Kasi
want to go to Sea Life Park
I think
now.
that's where the dolphins.
We're close to Sea Life Park.
Yeah, we are. And then you know what? Further down there, Clem, I think beyond that, yung dock area niya tayo. May magandang ano dun eh. It's a public beach. Locals know it. Ano pangalan ng beach? Nakalimutan ko na. No, but I think it's going towards there. Nakatali yan. Charot! Pretty!
I didn't know that meron. Paano sila pa ba doon? I don't even remember that scene.
Yung sa tide pool.
Yeah.
Uy!
We go down. The faster we get to eat.
Yes.
Oh yeah, what do you guys want to eat, guys? Sa araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos Chinese. Hanggang ngayon pa naman ba Chinese food pa rin tayo? Wala na ba iba? Alright, keep walking.
Gabriele.
It's Gabrielle. Gian Teresa.
Siya pala ang Jew.
Mm-hmm.